Hello my dear students, welcome back to Baladri chemistry classes. Please like and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for the latest updates. In this video, we are going to come across statewide NEET 2021 expected cutoff with comparison to NEET 2020 cutoff. Statewide we will discuss in the alphabetical order. Now come here. One second. Done. Now come to here. In alphabetical order, first Andhra Pradesh if we consider. In general category in 2020 the cutoff was 498. Now this year cutoff expected is 480 in a general category. EWS in 2020 it was 495. Now the expected cutoff will be 480. Now OBC means here again there are 4 groups A, B, C, D. Now in 2020 the cutoff was 449 and this year we can expect 445 it is. ST 332 in 2020 it is now 320 and ST category, and SC category it is 383 and we can expect 370. Not exact figures these are, so plus or minus 10 will be there, but mostly this time we can expect a minus 10. So there is no official key. Most of the students are asking, sir, official key is released. There is no official key still now, and there is no any official news about result. After October 15 we can expect the results and everything. So before that it will be very helpful to you. Now you can take Assam. The general cutoff was 529 and expected is 500 this time. EWS and 508 500. OBC 425 400. ST 264 254 and SC category 430 and 400. Next you can consider Arunachal Pradesh. It was 471 450 and EWS 469 450 and OBC category 452 and 430. ST category 298 and 280. SC category 368 and 330. Bihar you can consider. Last year in 2020 the cutoff was 599. Now we can expect 550 this time, and EWS is 578. We can expect 550 now. The OBC category 560 and 520. ST category 478 430 and 417 400 SC category. Now you can take Chandigarh. 637 was the cutoff in 2020. The paper was very easy in 2020. Now in this year 2021 the physics paper was lengthy actually. That's what cutoff is a decreasing. Now 580 we can expect this time in Chandigarh. 563 570 in EWS category. In OBC category it was 554 and 530. In ST category 488 450 and in SC category 560 and 500 it is. Now you can come to the Chhattisgarh. Here 553 was the cutoff in 2020. It will be decreased to 550. Okay, 496 490 549 545 336 330 448 and 440. So in Chhattisgarh the decreasing cutoff is almost equal to the 2020-21 almost equal. Now come to the next state. The next state was Delhi. One second. Sorry, give me 1 second time. Okay, now come here. In Delhi it was very highest 637 in the general category cutoff. Now this time we can expect 620. EWS is 620 600. OBC 605 595. ST 400 400 and SC 528 520. In Goa the cutoff was 515 in 2020. Now we can expect 505 450 440 in EWS and OBC category 396 390 and ST category 283 and 275. In SC category 248 and 250. In Gujarat state it will be 471 last year, 450. Now we can expect 472 450 450 450. There will be no change in OBC category, almost 201 300 396 350. This may be because of increasing the number of students appearing for NEET 2021. Now in Haryana it was 600 in 2020, 595 we can expect. 597, 590, 570, 565, and 495, 490. Himachal Pradesh can come. It was 590, 505, and 500 is you can expect. 457, 450, 504, 497, 460, 450, and 458, 455. Jharkhand can come 604 in 2020, 595 we can expect, and EWS 590, 580, and OBC category 601 and 595. So ST category 347 and 345, SC category 471 and 465. Now come to the next state. The next state was Karnataka. In Karnataka, in 2020 the cutoff was 540. Now we can expect 535. EWS is 530, 525. OBC category 497, 490. ST category 466, 460. And SC category is 495 and 400. Kerala you can come. Last year it was 582. And that expected cutoff is 550 now. And EWS 580, 550. So OBC 552, 550. 471, 450, 483 and 450. In MP, Madhya Pradesh, the cutoff was 560 in 2020 and we can expect 550 now. In EWS, 555, 550 and OBC 555, 550, 301, 300, 425, 420 in SC category. Now come to the Maharashtra, 570 was the cutoff in 2020. Now we can expect 570 this time. In EWS, 568, 560. OBC also almost same, and 336, 330 in ST category, 480 and 470 in SC category. Now in Odisha state you can take 588 was the general cutoff, and this time also we are expecting almost 584, 575, and SC category, ST category 365, and 509, 509 and 500. Now come to the Punjab state, 624 is the cutoff in general category, and we can expect 620. 598, 595, 576, 570, and this is 478, 475. Now come to the next state. Rajasthan can come. The last year cutoff was 631 and now we can expect 625. EWS 622, 615 and OBC 627, 620. So these seats are not almost are not available. That's what I am not giving the list. Here 560 and 550. In Tamil Nadu we can take 553 and now we can expect 550, and EWS 517, 510, 521, 520, 340, 330, 402, 400. Telangana it was 488 last year in general category. Now we can expect 480 and EWS 482, 470 and OBC category 417, 410 and ST category 415, 390, 407, 390. UP you can take Uttar Pradesh. 615 is the cutoff in general category in the year of 2020. So 5 to 10 marks we can decrease, and EWS 606 and 600, 605, 600, 433, 430, 457 and 450. West Bengal 584 and this time we can expect 580 and 564, 550, 557, 550, 450, 440, 452, 450. Okay now? Right, these were the statewide expected cutoff when compared to the 2020. So plus or minus 10 will be there, mostly minus 10 you can consider. This video will be very helpful to you. So very soon after October 15th we are going to get a official key and results. Please like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.